everyone, welcome to Money Nook. In this video, let's talk about 50-30-20 rule of budgeting. If you are someone who has just started to think about planning your own budget, then this 50-30-20 rule is definitely a very good starting point. So let's check out what all this is about. In 50-30-20 rule, you divide your total income into three buckets, 50%, 30% and 20%, and you plan all your expenses, savings and investments within these three buckets. The first bucket has 50% of your total in hand income and it is reserved for your needs. So you have to plan for all your needs such as paying your house rent, medical bills, food bills, kids education, basically all the expenses which are absolutely necessary for you to lead a normal life come under your needs, and you have to plan for all of them under bucket number 1, which is for your needs and where you have 50% of your total in hand income parked. Once you have done that, move on to the second bucket where you have 30% of your total in hand income, and this is for you to splurge on whatever you would love to have or you would love to experience. That movie that you want to watch, that restaurant you want to go for, the vacation that you would love to go, the hobbies that you would want to pursue. So the expenses related to all these things come under bucket number 2 and you have to plan for them in bucket number 2. Once you are done with splurging on things you would love to have or experience, move on to bucket number 3 where you have 20% of your in-hand income parked, and in this 20% you have to plan for all of your savings and investments. So in this way you divide your entire income into 50, 30 and 20% in 3 buckets, and you plan for your needs, your wants and your savings and investments. As I said earlier, this is for beginners. It is a starting point. But as you age and obviously as you get promoted, your in-hand salary increases. So your ability to save increases. Or as your life stage changes, you would obviously want to plan for your budget in much more detail. You would want to look at your expenses, your goals, your savings target, and you would want to balance out things, right? So if you are looking for something which is more detailed, then do check out my video on how to make an annual budget in the budgeting series. If you like the content in this video, please like this video and comment on it. Also, please share it with your friends and do subscribe to Money Nook. Thank you and bye-bye.